Hello, my name is Anda Liao. I am a fourth year computer science major, and I took interest in Industrial Engineering 185, the Challenge Lab, because I wanted to learn more about startups, concerning what they do, who's involved, what is their work ethic, and their goals in building the startup, and what it takes for these teams to be successful. In the past week, I have learned about what it means to be an entrepreneur. In Professor Singer's definition, entrepreneurs have to break boundaries and explore new things that other people have not explored, making them experts in what they're doing. This involves breaking out of your comfort zone and doing things that you have never thought of doing before. For me, it was always a challenge to speak publicly and thinking out of the box. I was always a stickler to rules and liked to see things with patterns. Through taking this course, I hope to improve my speaking skills and become more flexible in my perception of things. Another important aspect of entrepreneurship is figuring out what is meaningful to the public. For example, in the first lecture, we were shown a new way to harvest honey, where the honey drains into tubes that flow out into a jar. This technique is efficient, convenient, and does not disrupt the bees, which also appeals to environmentalists. A counterexample would be Google Glass, which we discussed in class with Professor Po Chi Wu. Although there are a lot of excitement with the announcement of the device, software developers didn't see a practical use for it and thus did not produce programs for it. Before coming up with new solutions to worldly issues, entrepreneurs need to really get a feel for the environment in which they will implement their ideas. We discovered in class that cultural differences and cognitive bias can greatly influence the way how people behave and perceive the world. I enjoyed the exercise that had us in pairs and we had to describe the picture on the projector to the other partner in a foreign language. And Professor Singer's analysis afterwards was really insightful. Now on to the project. Currently, I am considering working on the issue of energy because it is the more technical option and it involves interacting with large corporates from the Silicon Valley and the US State Department. Energy is also a global concern that affects everyone, so I want to learn about the steps that Silicon Valley and the US State Department has taken to combat pollution and what issues are they currently facing. So far, my team and I researched about battery storage and energy poverty. These are two pressing issues in the field of clean energy because a viable solution would not only have to be efficient but also affordable, which is not always achievable. So that is my progress in the course thus far. Thank you for watching.